In this tutorial, I will show you how to buy and install WordPress on InMotion Hosting step by step, where I will show you which hosting plan you should choose and the actual buying process involved. I will then show you how to install WordPress on InMotion Hosting the right way and choosing the correct settings. Towards the end of this video, I will give you a very special offer if you decide to pick up InMotion Hosting through my link below. I will give you my 6-figure blogger course for free. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the link in the description or type this into your browser. It will take you to my special InMotion discount page where you will get the best discount InMotion Hosting is currently offering. Full transparency, this is an affiliate link. I will receive a small commission at no extra cost to you, while you will get a special discount and my 6-figure blogger course for free. So it can be a win-win situation for the both of us. So now you click on get started and it will take you to the shared hosting pricing page where you can pick the plan that suits you best. InMotion Hosting has 4 different shared hosting plans: the Lite plan, the Launch plan, the Power, and the Pro plan. On the Lite plan, you're only allowed to have one website and your storage is only 10 gigabytes. So the main difference of increasing to the next 3 plans is that you'll get more websites, more storage, faster performance, and more email addresses. So as you can see here for the Launch plan, you can get 2 websites and 50 gigabytes of storage, then the performance will increase by 3 times, and then you can get 10 email addresses. So this just keeps increasing on the Power plan and the Pro plan as well. One quick note I want to make here is I think the Launch plan is pretty much useless because it's the same price as the Power plan, but you get so much more on the Power plan. So I don't know why InMotion Hosting even has the Launch plan as an option. And for the Pro plan, I definitely don't recommend you choose this one as you're paying more than 2 times the cost of the Power plan. And you don't get much more for it, as most people will be able to have less than 50 or 100 websites with their 100 gigabyte or 200 gigabyte storage anyway. So I see no value in the Pro plan either. So for me, it's very simple really. If you only need one website and you're a local business, then just pick the Lite plan, which is the cheapest. Or if you want multiple websites, then go for the Power plan. The Launch plan and the Pro plan just doesn't make sense to me. The next thing I wanted to mention is how long you should buy your hosting plan for. If you buy for 1 year, you can see the price is a lot more than for 3 years. What I would always recommend is to buy for 3 years, and if you're not happy with it, you can always get your money back from the start, as InMotion Hosting has a very generous 90-day money back guarantee, which is much longer than the industry standard. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to buy the Power plan, which I recommend for anyone who wants more than one website. Click add to cart. The next thing is to choose your data center. Always choose the data center which is closest to most of your viewers. So in this case, I'm just going to leave it as is. And the next thing is the backup manager. We don't need this as there are free options out there and I've done tutorial videos on my channel where you can check it out. So tick no thanks, and a dedicated IP address, this is also not required. And the quick starter is also not required. Don't waste your money on these upsells. So now we can go back up and click on continue. The next thing is to choose your domain name. So with regards to domain names, I never recommend you buy your domain name from any hosting providers as they charge you a premium each year. Other YouTubers don't tell you this and I don't know why, but it really annoys me as you're paying through the roof for a domain name with these hosting providers. You can see here. So it's going to cost you $15.99 per year for the domain, but you also need to pay an extra $12.99 per year for domain privacy. And domain privacy is very important because you want to make sure that you don't get marketers contacting you every day trying to sell their services to you. So all up, it's going to cost you almost $30 per year for your domain name with InMotion. Whereas what I recommend is you use Namecheap. I use this for all my websites and it is very cheap and is great to have all your websites consolidated into one dashboard. So Namecheap is only going to cost you under $9 per year and they provide you with the free domain privacy. So it's essentially going to be 3 times cheaper per year to have your domain name with Namecheap. So if you want to purchase it from Namecheap instead, like I do, and save a lot of money, then you can check out this video here where I guide you step by step. But if you don't want to save the money and you just want the easiest way, then you just click on I would like to purchase a new domain, okay? But if you're going to purchase it on Namecheap like me, then click on I already own the domain I want to use. Now put in your domain name, click on apply, put your email address in, continue. Now fill out your personal details. Next is to fill out your credit card details, or you can pay by PayPal if you wish. Then click on review my order. Now review everything and make sure you're happy with it. Then click on I agree and click on checkout. And that's it, success. Your hosting plan has now been purchased. The next step is to check your email from InMotion Hosting and log into your account. So in this email, you can scroll down to the bottom and click on get started with your password. So now we need to set up our password. Click on login, and now we can log into our account. Now the first step after we have logged into our account is to connect our domain name from Namecheap to InMotion Hosting's hosting account. But if you bought your domain name from InMotion Hosting, then you can skip this step and go straight to the next step. So for my account, you want to scroll down to here and click on account technical details. And if you scroll down to the name server 1 and name server 2 here, you can see this is what we need to copy into our Namecheap domain section. So I will do that now. So from my Namecheap account, select the domain that you want, then come down to the name server section, click on that and click on custom DNS. And now we want to paste in the name server 1 and name server 2 from InMotion Hosting. So I have done that now, and you simply just click on the check mark and save it. So now it shows our DNS server has been updated, and it may take up to 48 hours. This is rarely the case, normally 5 to 10 minutes and it should be done, but probably maximum 1 hour. So come back and check in a few minutes. The next step is to install our WordPress website. So we want to go to our cPanel and we want to scroll down and click on WordPress here. Click on install now. Choose your correct domain name and put in the site name and site description. Now we can come down to the admin account. So for the username, make sure to use anything but admin, as this is what hackers will try to use when they try to get into your website. And I like to get Softaculous to generate my password for me, and I save it somewhere else. Now we come down further and we can untick all these plugins for now. We can install them later as we need them so they don't clog up your website. So now we click on install and just give it a minute and let it load. Well, that was really quick. It's that simple. Right now, your website won't load up properly yet, as our SSL certificate has not been installed, so the connection is not yet secured. We still have another step to go, but I just wanted to ask if you're getting value out of this video so far. If so, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more quality content that I release every week, just like this. So the next step is to install our SSL certificate. And to do that, we go back to our dashboard and don't click on this purchase dedicated SSL, as there's a free version that you can use which is more than good enough. So we scroll down and click on the manage free basic SSL and you simply just turn it on. Click on run check now. So now we can go and try again and open our website. Click on that and you can see it's now working with the lock. And just one last check, we'll log into our WordPress dashboard. So you click on InMotion Hosting and click on installations and now click on admin, and here's our WordPress dashboard. This shows that our bare bones WordPress website has been installed successfully. But there's still one more thing to do before you should start editing your WordPress website, and that is to create your email address. And to do that, we go back to our cPanel and click on email accounts. Now click on create and put in your username, put in your password and click on create. Success. It's that easy. Your email account has now been fully set up and ready to go. Just a quick note on my bonus offer. If you decide to pick up InMotion Hosting through my link, you simply just have to send me your full receipt to bonus@dotcomdollar.com and I will send you back access to my bonus course right away. Now that you have installed WordPress onto your bare bones InMotion Hosting account, You are now ready to go out and fully build out your WordPress website. And this next video will help you do just that. So check it out and I'll see you over in that next tutorial.